On the first day of our energy conservation challenge, you need to start by finding out and learning about the classroom energy use. What you're looking for is inefficient energy use. So you're going to conduct an energy audit to help save energy. So in just a few minutes, your teacher is going to break you up into small groups. You will then be assigned a couple of objects off the class list, and you will need to go ahead and calculate how much energy and how much money it costs to run those objects. You'll be looking at objects on the list. If those objects aren't present in your classroom, go ahead and cross them off. Think about objects that are in your classroom that are not on the list and add those to it. So look around and find things in your class and do the calculations. Your teacher is going to work through how to do the calculations with you, but here's briefly what you're going to do. You'll take the amount of watts that your device uses. Watts is a measurement of energy use. You'll multiply that by the number of hours the device is on during a day, and then you'll multiply that by the number of days it's being used, or the number of the days in the school year. You can approximate the school year as 180 days. That calculation will tell you how much energy your object will use. To figure out how much it will cost, you need to go ahead and change the number of watts into kilowatts. So divide by 1,000, because that's how they sell energy in kilowatts, and multiply the cost per kilowatt. We're going to estimate that at about 14 cents per kilowatt. If you have a device that's not on the list, you can look at the bottom of the device usually to see how many watts, or you can search online to approximate how many watts that device uses. The competition organizers will look at how much energy as a school we're able to save during the competition period to see how well we do. So you're going to do three things today. First, you're going to get in a group. Then you're going to be assigned to calculate how much money it costs to use a device in this room. And then once you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and look at what are some energy issues that you've realized from looking at your calculations and others. And you're going to want to start thinking about ways that you could address those issues. The two things to download are at the bottom of the page. You'll download the class survey and do that as a class, and then individual groups will download the student activity shrinking energy sheet to go ahead and look at their individual issues. Good luck.